Kia ora, my name is Alex from Auckland, New Zealand. Roughly half a year ago, in my spare time, I had a thought that what else I can do in my spare time beside my job that I can make some side income monthly, and even double my income of this platform compared to my own job. So looked on YouTube and found this amazing e-commerce platform, Amazon. Then meet amazing entrepreneur Ian and Alexander. And long story short, had wonderful session with Alexander from start to finish. From finding a product, ideas, launching, shipping a marketing plan, all the programs, all the training is wonderful. And I can't be more excited to have my towels and my weight gloves at the start to launch and sell in Australia and New Zealand, which will be more exciting than my own job, to be honest. And the best thing of all is can't wait to hit some good financial goals in the next 6 months to see where I can go. And if that goes ahead very well, it could be my ultimate career. A good learning curve at the same time, give me thinking outside the box mindset, as that I can also put in my own job at the moment as well. And just want to say to people who are looking at this video, don't be afraid to think outside the box. Don't be afraid that of opportunities. If there's opportunities, that means that there's ideas and things that you can actually do. Create your own brand, to create your own entrepreneur, and that's it. And last but not least, good luck and go for gold, whatever you can think of. Cheers. Bye bye. From Auckland, New Zealand, I chose Amazon because it's one of the most cost-effective dropshipping online in the world, and Amazon is definitely one of the biggest, if not the biggest, online retailer in the world. Everyone goes on it, and with not Amazon, who else? Thank you. What I love about the Amazon training is that you can give us 2 or 3 session training Monday and Wednesday evening, where everyone comes together in Teams meeting, and we can discuss A to Z, whatever we want, opportunities, challenges, anything that can support us, our journey, launching journey, our entrepreneurship journey from start to finish. That's it. I highly and definitely recommend Amazon training to anyone who want to start entrepreneurship, who want to start e-commerce and dropshipping. It's not hard. It's pretty straightforward. And the course material is amazing. Give it a try, and you never know what's around the corner. That's my advice. Thank you.